evening, Ma'am Basinang. My name is Maverick Arcamo, and today I'm gonna introduce to you Hidden Gems Bohol. So Hidden Gems Bohol, ma'am, is a website that showcases the hidden spots in Bohol that not much tourists or no tourists have knowledge what this spot is all about, ma'am. So mo na mong aim, ma'am, i-spread ang beauty sa Bohol by letting them know na ay hidden spot sa Bohol na wala pa nila na-discover para po pagdagdag nila memories, ma'am, para po for fun and perfect, especially summer season na siya, ma'am. So as you can see, ma'am, in the home natay background sa Chocolate Hills, beautiful Chocolate Hills, then apoy phrase discover Bohol's hidden gems. So while ang text sa Discover Bohol is white, amo po gigirin hidden gems man na green na text para po uniform kita na babiyo kita na. So 25 hidden spots that you will discover only Bohol curated just for you. So mo scroll down na mga ay napaday ko ma'am explore destination. I-click mo na explore destination, ma'am, budong siya sa destinations page. And we scroll down our mission. So and as I said kanina, promoting undiscovered places. We showcase national, natural, cultural, and community-based destinations in Bohol to encourage sustainable tourism and support local communities. Every hidden gem deserves to be appreciated responsibly. So, next is Hidden Gem of the Month. So, mo-generate ni siya og Hidden Gem of the Month, and ang atong Hidden Gem of the Month is Kinali Beach. Anda, mo na siya. Ini-grade more na budong na siya sa destinations. And explore by category: beaches, waterfall, hills, hidden vistas, and cultural villages, not much, ma'am. So kanina HTML code, ma'am, ang gamit. Mukha siya kung page Hidden Gems Bohol, and the body contains a hero section at the top with a background image, title, short description, and button that leads to the destinations page. Then more na siya, and overall the code builds a clean, organized homepage and uses JS to make parts of the page reusable and dynamic. So we are here now at the destinations page. So as you can see, explore Bohol, hidden gems directory, discovered underrated destinations across Bohol, categorized for your next adventure. So this HTML code mo build siya destinations page na Hidden Gems Bohol website. Mo start sa the basics page, settings like sa title, mobile responsiveness, and linking the CSS file for styling. Inside the body, there are placeholders for the navbar, page header, filters, destination grid, and footer, which are all filled dynamically using JS. Ang first script, load siya share components like the navbar and footer. Then mo set sa page header with a title, subtitle, and description. In short, the code makes the page interactive by allowing users to filter destinations dynamically without reloading the page. So, naatay 5 categories, and each category has 5 category spots. So, sa beaches, naatay Kinali Beach, Sibuka Beach, Dolho Beach, Bikini Beach, Momo Beach, and sa waterfalls, may Nananana, Simbarke Hapon, and as you can see, ma'am, naatay read more. Ni-click mo sa read more, ma'am, mo zoom na siya, ma'am, tagaan ganiya information na, ma'am, regarding an place, ma'am. So not much, ma'am, simple lang kanina siya na website, ma'am, and simple na siya website na at least maka-create me of hidden spots para sa mga katauhan diri sa Bohol, and para sa mga kano na nasa gawas na ganaan explore sa Bohol, dapat nila ma-explore nila ni deserve of recognition, ma'am, especially sa government, dila sa government kundi sa buong world, ma'am. Once you click a destination, ma'am, where you want to read more information about that place, ma'am, for example, kaning Kanumantad Falls, na rin nakabutang Kanumantad Falls name sa destination na waterfalls kay waterfall mo siya. Ang address niya, ma'am, municipality and the province is Bohol. So about na po nakabutang diri is click mo, ma'am, about this place. So diri nabutang nga information about ang lugar, ma'am, yung Kanumantad Falls, the tallest waterfall in Bohol, etc. And after that, ma'am, as you scroll down, na ay mga upat yun ka key concept aning place sa may click mo sa tanan na each place, ma'am, diri nakabutang ang how to get there, travel reminders, estimated budget, and sustainability note. Sa how to get there, ma'am, makaibaw ang usa ka tourist o usa ka lokal na kanamo dong nga lugar, usa nila pagdong, ma'am, sa anang lugar, ma'am. So inani pam Tagbilaran, take a bus or van to Kandihay, then nakabutang approximate hours, then And then after na, magmutong sila sa local center or sa LGU nila or sa barangay hall na mag-hire local guy for the check. Yan na po yung time na approximately 30 minutes or sa una orasan na ma'am. Mo na yung time na mag-take na mutong sila sa destination ma'am. So next is travel reminders ma'am. Reminders siya sa travel reminders sa mga tao no, sa edad nila kintahay unsay what to do and makaibaw po sila ma'am unsay bawal, unsay pwede, unsay bawal anang lugar ma'am. And sa estimated budget, minimum budget to maximum budget ma'am mo na para makakaibaw sila ang usa ka tourist or local ma'am or na pilay dadon nila na kwarta para makadungan na lugar. And sustainability note, ma'am, mo na siya i-note bitaw ma'am na ang purpose niya anang butang sa website is how to let's say na how to make the earth a better place na bitaw ma'am sa aning website ma'am. Ang purpose ng sustainability note is makaibaw ang tao ma'am unsay how to make this place a better place or how to preserve the ecosystem, how to preserve that place para ma-maintain ito siya nag-clean ma'am. Demora siya.
Here is the White Matters section. In this index, here we can see the navbar and page header, which is shown in ID. So also the body structure has these placeholders, navbar, page header, and footer. And each of them has a section with 3 content cards, which explains the key topics, and these key topics are and how explains how the government is not prompt because of how over tourism affects famous spots, and also it explains why supporting local communities matters, and also that is the content of these content cards, whereas each card has the size 2 heading, each 2 element. So it basically has three of which, and also it has a JavaScript script that allows to load external scripts and fills the placeholders using functions. So in short, I think this section is just quite overall simple because it physically explains why these places matters.
Responsible tourism, Hidden Gems Bohol. Its purpose is to guide tourists on how to travel responsibly while protecting Bohol's environment and respecting local culture. The page uses HTML for structure, CSS for design, and JavaScript for dynamic content. It includes placeholders for the navbar, header, and footer, which are filled using JavaScript so they can be reused on other pages. The main content shows 4 principal cards. First is the leave no trace, which means keep nature clean and undisturbed. Next is respect local culture, follow traditions and be respectful. And support small vendors, help local businesses, and lastly, avoid littering, manage waste properly. At the bottom, there is an SDG banner explaining that the page supports sustainability goals. Overall, the code builds a clean and organized web page that promotes responsible tourism using reusable components.
The photo gallery page is designed to present Bohol scenic destination in a clean, organized, and interactive layout. It uses a category-based filtering system that allows user to quickly switch between different type of location without reloading the page. The grid layout ensures image displayed constantly, while the lightbox features enhanced user experience by allowing visitor to view photo. The page user placeholder that are dynamically filled by JavaScript using data from data.js. Categorized are loaded with object keys, and default set of images is displayed. Functions generate filters and images. Update the select category and control the lightbox view. This setup separates content, logic, and layout, making the gallery easy to manage and scalable.
A well-structured about web page for HiddenGems Bohol. It is designed to present key information about the project. It highlights the project's purpose, which is to promote lesser-known destinations while encouraging sustainable tourism. It also includes the vision, mission, and support sustainability development goals, which is SGDs, all organized into clear content sections for readability and user engagement. So the technologies that we used in making this web system is the page is built using HTML for structuring the content, ensuring proper organization of text and sections. CSS is used through an external style sheet to handle the visual design, layout, and responsiveness of the page. Additionally, we use JavaScript in order to utilize the dynamics to load reusable components such as navigation bars, header, and footers. While making the website, we made it more efficient and easier to maintain. With combination of technologies demonstrates a clean, modular, and scalable approach to modern web development.